He's coming across the street too. He is. Hi.
There you go.
This is my book. I wrote a book.
Did you?
Yes.
All right,
All right, thanks. Oh my God. It's so light. It's so light. I freaked him out, I think. Freaked out the FedEx guy. Oh my gosh. Ah. Look at it, look! Really? Okay. There it is. Oh my gosh, look! Look! Look at my little book. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Look.
Look at that, Jackie. Yay!
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Look. Ta-da.